I dumpster dive a lot, but the videos I put together are mainly just find videos, what I'm finding out there dumpster dive. But for every dumpster I find something in, I'm checking 5, 10, 15 that are just zeros. So I'm gonna take you along today and show you how many dumpsters we actually have to check in order to have a good day dumpster diving. We're gonna have a time clock running and counters for dumpsters checks versus dumpster finds. I'm gonna do my business route today, so come along, let's go see what we can find. Nothing. Look, they're starting to lock this dumpster. That's a bummer. What do we got? And nothing. And it's empty. And it's just trash. And just boxes. Empty. Woo. Slippery, slippery. And just office trash. And it's locked. And empty. And empty. Beautiful day. Whew. Oh, this is a mistake. Whew. Covered in snow. Nothing. Ooh. Insulation. Empty. Filled with snow, but empty. All these. Yeah, this looks like trashier than usual. Not a lot of obvious good stuff. I'm gonna pass today. I'm at Home Depot to pick up some cords for Christmas decorations. Home Depot pro tip, a lot of times they'll have these garbage cans full of these dividers, and if you ask, they'll actually let you take these. I'm not gonna ask because there's only 2, but I've gotten garbage cans full before. Five Below. What's in Five Below? They've got all this cardboard in here, and a cardboard dumpster right next to it. Nothing. Oh, so much damn cardboard in here. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. Office Depot. Ooh. Oh man. So it looks like Office Depot, looks like this computer desk got crushed. Dude. Oh, this table looks nice. Okay, looks like they dropped it. This is still a perfectly good table. So this Office Depot only puts their trash out on a specific day. They keep it all and they only put it in on Tuesday. So it's empty the whole week, but the garbage truck only comes on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, so they only put it in on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. That's the strategy of some stores. They don't choose to put it in the locket, they just choose one day to put it all out and they store it in their store. Box. Could always use more totes. I see some displays down there. Ooh, a little bit of scrap. If you find a lot of these, like you can sell it as a whole pallet. Like these are called lavalier shelves. So another pet peeve is like, I didn't do this. I didn't open all this shit up and just dump empty styrofoam in, but they did. When the garbage truck tips it out, it just blows and it just, this whole area when it's not covered in snow, it's just trashed. All right, we're going in. And look, I bet you these expired and they dumped them out rather than throw them in the dumpster. Okay, that's it. What is this? Like a card display. These are the pop-up cards that they sell. That's kind of, huh. Dude, I think I'll pop all these off. Cool. There's our Christmas cards for the year. So it looks like metal, but it's cast, I think. It's aluminum. Ooh. Sesame seeds. Cool. Oh, yeah. Bark, live, love. That's cool. I need my picker. Oh, it's a dog bed. That's cool. Cute dog bed. They always are in and out of there and yelling at me, but better than a bottle of pee this time. They all got snowed on. God damn it. Fuck. This is the locked dumpster. Nothing. Nothing. I see a TV. Nothing. Ooh, I like these demo bags. I might empty this out and take it. Yeah. Yeah, these are great. Busted ass TV. It's a Panasonic. One little niche is people take the stands off these and sell them on eBay, or they'll take the whole thing apart and part them out. That's not my niche, so I'll just pop the cord off, take the cord. Not much. Little bit of scrap. Ooh, and some like kids' toys. I remember these. That might be a Christmas present. More shit too. What is all this? Kids' toys and books. I'll take this, put it between the street and the sidewalk, and somebody will take this for sure. Looks like nice books and some nice toys for somebody. More of my cameras. Nothing. Frozen gloves. Nothing. Nothing. So it took us checking 23 dumpsters to find just 5 that had anything of value. Well, we're not going to be reselling any of this stuff for big money. It's still stuff that I can personally use. We can donate, save it from a landfill. If you were to go to a store and buy this stuff, it'd be $100+ worth of material. One thing to remember is I've been doing this for a long time. In the area where I dove, there's over 200+ dumpsters that I could have stopped at, but I only stopped at 23. Why? Well, back in 2020, when I started doing this, I would check all those dumpsters, and I checked them consistently over the course of a few months, and I winnowed out the ones that just always had nothing. And these 23 that I actually stop at, every 4th or 5th time I would stop, I'd find something. So those made it on my route. And that's why we're able to achieve over a 20% success rate. I have a few different routes set up in my city, so I can go out 2-3 nights a week and I always find stuff. So if you want to get good at this, choose an area with 50, 60 dumpsters that you can check, and check it consistently a couple of times a week for 2 or 3 months. And you'll be able to do the same thing. You can winnow down the ones that never have anything, and you'll find 3, 4, 5 that have good stuff consistently. And then you just expand that out over a larger area, and eventually you have a route of 20 or 30 dumpsters you can stop at that you can do in 1 to 2 hours and come back finding stuff consistently every single time. So that's my tip for today. We're putting out more videos specifically on selling on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and scrap metal, a deep dive video into each of those separately. And it'll be applicable even if you don't dumpster dive. If you just use those platforms to try to sell stuff once in a while, it'll be super, super helpful. So subscribe so you don't miss out on those, and happy diving.